Let's make oven-baked vegan arancini with lentil bolognese ragù. They're so yummy and healthy. Let's jump right into it. These are the ingredients you'll need: a carrot, celery, an onion, some garlic cloves, saffron, brown lentils as a meat replacement in our bolognese ragù, arborio rice or other short grain risotto rice, flax seeds to replace eggs, breadcrumbs, vegetable stock, and some passata. First of all, you can use canned lentils for a faster recipe, or dry ones, which you'll have to soak for at least a couple of hours. Start by blitzing the carrot, celery, onion, and garlic. Now, get a saucepan, dip in half a tablespoon of oil, add the veggies we just blitzed, and let them sizzle for a couple of minutes. Then, drop in the lentils, the tomato sauce, a pinch of salt, and enough water to cover. You can also add half a glass of red wine if you want. Stir and cook covered for 15 minutes until the lentils are soft and the sauce is reduced. Meanwhile, we can start preparing the rice. Let's bring the vegetable stock to a boil, which we'll use to cook the risotto al dente, Italian style. Keep the stock close by and get a large skillet. Add half a tablespoon of oil and sizzle some more onions. Now, add the rice and toast it for 3 minutes. Next, pour in the vegetable stock, one ladle at a time, just enough to cover the rice. Simmer the risotto over medium heat and allow the broth to become absorbed before adding more stock. Cook the rice this way for 10 minutes. And then dip in the saffron. Do you see how much color you get from the saffron? So beautiful! Now, keep adding a little bit of vegetable stock at a time and stir in the rice for 8 more minutes until it's cooked through but firm to the bite. The stock has to be fully reduced, so make sure you don't add too much as you approach the end of the cooking time. Now, transfer the rice in a tray, cover it with cling film and store it in the fridge for around 15 minutes. As the rice cools down, get the flax seeds, add in the water and stir. This mixture will replace eggs in the arancini coating. Once the rice is cold, cut it into 12 equal parts, one for each rice bowl. Flatten one part of rice into your hand. Add the lentil bolognese ragù in the middle and wrap the rice around it, molding it into a bowl. Now, glaze the bowl with the flax egg and then coat it with breadcrumbs. Repeat for all rice bowls and then bake them for 35 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius or 430 degrees Fahrenheit in a static oven. You made it! Well done! Serve the arancini hot out of the oven and enjoy them while they last. And if you like healthy recipes like this one, we'd love for you to join us. So please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you! Bye!